What's up, everyone? If you're searching for the top 5 best portable digital oscilloscope to power up your electronics testing and diagnostics, you're in the right place. Welcome to Best Product, where we break down the most reliable and feature-packed tools to help you choose wisely. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Zoyi Portable Digital Oscilloscope. The Zoyi Portable Digital Oscilloscope is a compact, multifunctional electronic testing device designed to meet the needs of engineers, technicians, and electronics hobbyists in both field and lab environments. Combining multiple tools into a single handheld unit, it significantly reduces the need to carry separate instruments, making electronic debugging and testing more efficient and convenient. At its core, the device features a 10 MHz oscilloscope capable of real-time waveform analysis. It provides a clear, high-resolution color display that shows key signal parameters such as peak values, minimum values, and frequency. With single-channel capture and adjustable time-based settings, users can closely observe and analyze signal behavior with precision. Beyond its oscilloscope functionality, the device integrates several additional tools, including an offline downloader, a DAP emulator, and a signal generator. The offline downloader supports firmware flashing and data transfer without requiring a constant computer connection. The DAP emulator assists in microcontroller development, while the built-in signal generator allows users to create custom waveforms for circuit testing and experimentation. Designed with portability in mind, the Zoyi oscilloscope features a pocket-sized, lightweight build housed in a durable red and black casing. This rugged design makes it suitable for on-the-go debugging, field repairs, and classroom or laboratory use. Operation is simple and user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced professionals. It includes intuitive controls such as auto and hold functions, along with F1, F4 function keys that provide quick access to advanced settings and features. This ensures smoother workflow and faster troubleshooting during measurements. With its combination of versatility, portability, and professional-grade performance, the Zoyi Portable Digital Oscilloscope stands out as a practical all-in-one solution for modern electronics work, offering accurate and reliable measurement capabilities in a compact form factor. Next, at number 4, is the Tooltop Portable Digital Oscilloscope. The Tooltop Portable Digital Oscilloscope is a compact and versatile measurement device designed for accurate signal monitoring and analysis across multiple applications. Built for both field and laboratory use, it combines portability with professional-grade functionality, making it suitable for engineers, technicians, students, and repair specialists. One of its key features is 5-channel synchronous monitoring, which allows simultaneous acquisition of 5 different signals. This capability significantly reduces the need for repeated equipment switching and helps users quickly identify faults in complex systems. It is especially useful in multi-signal environments such as industrial equipment and electronic system testing. The device offers flexible connectivity options to suit different working environments. With dual-band Wi-Fi support, it enables wireless remote control via mobile phones or computers and is compatible with both Android and Windows systems. For users who prefer a stable direct connection, the wired USB mode provides plug-and-play functionality with Windows systems, ensuring fast and reliable operation. It features a 4.3-inch large color screen with an optimized interface where over 80% of the display area is dedicated to waveform visualization. This ensures clearer, more detailed signal observation, making waveform interpretation more efficient and precise. Optimized for low-frequency signal measurement, the oscilloscope provides a 1 MHz bandwidth, making it suitable for audio signals, sensor outputs, and industrial control systems. It supports up to a 3 MHz sampling rate, meeting the requirements of basic research, development, and educational use. Designed for portability, the device weighs only 350 g and includes a built-in 2000 mAh battery that supports up to 3 hours of continuous operation. This makes it convenient for on-site diagnostics and mobile testing scenarios. For advanced analysis, it includes data recording and storage capabilities with 8 M-TICE 5-channel memory. When connected to a computer, the software can record up to 90 hours of waveform data and supports periodic signal analysis for deeper insights. The Tooltop Portable Digital Oscilloscope is widely applicable in laboratory R&D, industrial automation maintenance, automotive electronics testing, mobile device repair, and field diagnostics, offering a reliable and efficient solution for modern signal analysis needs. Coming in at number 3, we have the Fnirsi Portable Digital Oscilloscope. The Fnirsi Portable Digital Oscilloscope is a compact and highly functional 3-in-1 diagnostic tool designed for both professional and educational use in electronics maintenance and development. It combines an oscilloscope, a multimeter, and a signal generator in a single portable device, making it a versatile solution for technicians, engineers, students, and electronics enthusiasts. At its core, the device uses an advanced FPGA plus MCU plus ADC hardware architecture, delivering a sampling rate of 50 ms per s and an analog bandwidth of 10 MHz. It also features a built-in high-voltage protection module, allowing safe measurement of signals with peak voltages up to spline 400V. This makes it suitable for handling a wide range of electronic testing scenarios with enhanced safety and reliability. The oscilloscope function supports waveform capture, storage, and screenshot viewing, enabling users to analyze signals conveniently and review past measurements for troubleshooting or documentation. Alongside this, the integrated 4-digit true RMS multimeter provides 10,000 counts of precision measurement and supports A/DC voltage and current readings, as well as resistance, capacitance, diode testing, and continuity checks. Adding further functionality, the built-in DDS signal generator can output 7 different waveform types. It supports frequencies up to 2 MHz with 1 Hz resolution and allows adjustment of frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle, giving users flexible control for testing and circuit simulation. The device features a 2.8-inch high-definition LCD screen with a resolution of 320 by 240, ensuring clear waveform visualization and easy navigation. Powered by a 3,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, it offers up to 6 hours of standby time, making it suitable for field work and mobile applications. Overall, the Fnirsi 2 C23T delivers a compact yet powerful combination of measurement and signal generation tools, offering strong functionality and a portable design suitable for a wide range of electronics applications. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Uni-t Portable Digital Oscilloscope. The Uni-t Portable Digital Oscilloscope is a multifunctional diagnostic instrument designed for modern electronics testing, maintenance, and engineering applications. It combines the capabilities of a digital multimeter, oscilloscope, and signal generator into a single compact handheld device, making it suitable for both fieldwork and laboratory use. This series offers comprehensive measurement functions, allowing users to accurately test voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode behavior, and continuity. Equipped with true RMS measurement technology and 4.5-digit display precision, it ensures stable and reliable readings even under complex waveform conditions. For signal analysis, the UT81 series provides high-performance oscilloscope functionality with a bandwidth of 50 MHz or 100 MHz depending on the model. It supports a real-time sampling rate of up to 250 MSA/s or 500 MSA/s, enabling precise capture of fast and dynamic electrical signals. The waveform refresh rate can reach up to 10,000 WFM/s, ensuring smooth and detailed signal visualization. Dual-channel input further enhances analytical flexibility, allowing comparison and troubleshooting of multiple signals simultaneously. Advanced models such as the UT81C Plus and UT81D Plus include an integrated signal generator capable of producing sine, square, sawtooth, pulse, and arbitrary waveforms. This feature is especially useful for simulation, testing, and circuit design validation in electronic development environments. In addition, the device is supported by upper computer software that enables real-time waveform monitoring, data storage, and detailed analysis. It also supports SCPI communication, making it compatible with automated test systems and allowing secondary development for advanced industrial applications. Overall, the Uni-t UT81 series is designed for versatility and precision, serving a wide range of industries including electronics manufacturing, communication maintenance, power systems, HVAC servicing, automotive diagnostics, industrial engineering, and academic research. Its integrated design and advanced functionality make it a reliable all-in-one solution for professional measurement and testing needs. And finally, our top pick for the Owon Portable Digital Oscilloscope. The Owon Portable Digital Oscilloscope is a compact and highly versatile testing instrument designed for engineers, technicians, and electronics enthusiasts who need reliable measurement tools both in the lab and in the field. This multifunctional device integrates three essential instruments into one unit: an oscilloscope, a multimeter, and a waveform generator. By combining these functions, it reduces the need for multiple separate devices, making it a practical solution for troubleshooting, signal analysis, and electronic testing in a wide range of applications. It features a 3.5-inch high-resolution, high-contrast color LCD display that delivers clear and sharp waveform visualization, ensuring accurate readings even in varying lighting conditions. The interface is designed for ease of use, allowing users to quickly navigate between measurement modes and waveform settings. Built for portability, the device supports USB Type-C connectivity, enabling convenient charging and operation using a power bank. This makes it especially suitable for outdoor work or situations where direct power access is limited. With an energy-efficient design and a comprehensive power consumption of only 3 watt, the oscilloscope can operate continuously for approximately 6 hours on a single charge. It is powered by a 18650 lithium battery and includes a self-calibration function to maintain measurement accuracy over time. For advanced users, SCPI support allows secondary development and customization, making it compatible with PC software connections and expanding its potential for automated testing and integration into larger systems. The built-in ATS generator and waveform capabilities further enhance its functionality for signal generation and analysis tasks. Designed with practicality and flexibility in mind, the Owon Portable Digital Oscilloscope offers a compact, efficient, and feature-rich solution for modern electronic measurement needs, especially where mobility and multifunction performance are essential. Ready to upgrade your testing setup? Check the price link in the description to find the best deal today. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more top reviews and expert buying guides.